Little Ava, my beautiful daughter, come to me. Ava, is that you? Oh, how I've missed you! What? My power is leaving me!
Rose! Miranda!
Interesting. Your body certainly isn't normal.
Give Rose to me! Now!
You will see. Once I kill you properly, everything...
Get her now! Let go!
I've spent a lifetime creating this moment. And you tried to take it away from me. I will take what is due. My desires will be fulfilled! Rose is mine!
What the fuck?
You fulfill your... You fulfilled your purpose, Mr. Winters. You disposed of my false children and awakened the glorious Megamycete. Now, please do not worry for little Rose. I assure you I'll provide her with true happiness. So now you can die peacefully.
I'm not letting you get away!
Why would you? Please, Mr. Winters, stop struggling. I shall finish this. Here I come. I'll take wonderful care, little Rose. How about this? You understand the love of a parent, don't you? How can you deny me?
Why the hell can't you realize Rose is my goddamn kid, not yours?
I shall put you to rest. This is... I've never seen a human live without his heart. Are you sure? The Megamycete saved me from the pits of despair. It granted me this splendid power!
Yeah, right! All it's done is drive me nuts!
Will this kill you? After all, everyone dies. Die. Die and be swallowed into the Megamycete for all time! Now, Mr. Winters, I think it's time you left things in my hands. Go on, rest now.
The hell I will!
I will take back my daughter! Die, 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 die. I understand your feelings, Mr. But this is the Rose is truly mine at last. You fulfilled your purpose, Mr. Winters. You disposed of my false children and awakened the glorious Megamycete. Now, please do not worry for little Rose. I assure you I'll provide her with true peace. So now you can die peacefully. You understand the love of a parent.
Not letting you get away!
How can you deny me?
Why the hell can't you realize Rose is my goddamn kid, not yours?
You won't get defeated. Cease this foolishness. The Megamycete saved me from the pits of despair. It granted me this splendid power.
Yeah, right. All it's done is drive you nuts.
Will this kill you? Hold still. Oh. Die. I can take any form I desire. Beast. Evil. Oh, great Megamycete! Hear my prayer! Now, Mr. Winters, I think it's time you left things in my hands. Go on, rest now.
The hell I will!
Die, 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 die! I will take back my daughter! I understand your feelings, Mr. Winters. Truly. For this is the end. If I combine Rose with the Megamycete, my daughter will be made manifest at last! I've waited a century, all for this day! After all, everyone dies. Surely you have no means now, so close to death.
She's my goddamn daughter, you psycho!
Your time is up! Now die! I will see my hopes through. I must. For my daughter. How about this? Those foreigners, they could do nothing to assuage my years of loneliness.
Ever think the problem might be you, Miranda? You're not capable of real love.
Such vitality and disease. Your life is over, Mr. Peters. Why do you still fight? I've never seen a human live without his heart. Are you sure you're not? My wish will come. You won't intervene. I shall put you to rest. I will not let him or anyone else take Rose or my daughter. Die, 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 die. I will take back my daughter! Don't resist. This is how you end, Ethan Peters. To ensure I never see your face again, my daughter! My Eva!
Rose! Shh. Shh. It's all right, Rose. It's all right. Ethan! Ethan! Come on, Ethan. Come on, Ethan, wake up. Oh, no.
Chris.
Ethan, you did it. It's finished.
I think we've finished each other.
Ethan, we gotta move. Keep moving, Ethan. There's a bomb in that thing that'll blow this whole village sky high. Hey, look at me. When I hit this trigger, we can't be anywhere near it. Ah, damn it. Mia's waiting for you. She's alive, you hear me? Alive.
Mia, I'm so sorry. I love you. Keep Rose safe.
Hey, hey. Hey. And you tell yourself. Now come on, it's not that much further.
Watch over her. Teach her to be strong.
God damn.
Goodbye, Rosemary.
Ethan.
Rose?
Go. Go, take us up now.
Wait! Where's Ethan?
Get moving. We have to get clear.
No! We can't go, not without my husband!
Mia, sit down and strap in.
Not before you tell me where Ethan is. I know he wouldn't abandon us. Tell me what's going on. Where? What was that?
I told you to sit down.
Where is he? Chris? What have you done?
He's gone. I tried. He stayed so we could all escape. I'm sorry.
Captain, you need to see this. BSAA didn't send soldiers. This is a bioweapon.
What the hell were they thinking?
Orders, Captain.
Pick up the rest of the squad. Plot a course for BSAA Europe HQ. Someone's gotta pay.
I went searching. think the little boy will be able to touch the moon.
But he can touch the moon, it's too far away.
Wait, what if he has a rocket ship?
Okay, then he can touch it, but it'd be very, very cold.
You were being silly. I don't think the moon feels like
I think it does. But if
Hey, Dad. Happy birthday. Sorry I missed last week. I have a lot of tests coming up. You know how it is. Talk of the goddamn devil. Duty calls. I love you.
Yeah, I found her. Where else? Today of all days. We have a situation. You're needed, Evelyn.
Don't you ever call me that again.
Whoa, it's just a joke, Rose.
I can show you things even Chris doesn't know I can do.
We have a clear shot.
Stand down. I can handle it. She's just a kid.
Way to keep it together, Rose.
You're a lot like him, you know?
I know.